Hello, I'm Sarah Strackhouse with ISSA TV, and today I'm talking to Matt Trout with Kimberly-Clark Professionals. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for joining us. Yeah.
Absolutely. So can you tell us a little bit about the innovative product that you're showing here today?
So we're really excited to be at ISSA showcasing our new Scott Pro electronic hard roll towel system. We took the traditional hand towel systems that have been in the market for 10 or 15 years, and we turned that whole system inside out with the new direct drive dispensing. So just to give you a picture on what that looks like, this is the sound you probably get every time you go into a washroom. You hear all that motor making all that noise. We took all the gears and the cogs, all those pieces out of that, and put a simple direct drive mechanism into our new system, which doesn't sound like anything at all. The noisiest thing you get now is the tear of the paper. So this is great if you think a washroom, often hard tiles, hard surfaces, gets really noisy. You get a super quiet, super premium experience in the restroom, and that direct drive technology also means extra long battery efficiency on your systems, and it's 10 times the reliability of traditional electronic units as well. So you've got all these benefits all up in a package with design and a Scott brand that people know and trust.
So tell me a little bit about what went into making this product, why this is so beneficial for the customers.
Well, one of the key points here is reliability. If you've got a busy office building, you don't want to have to worry about whether your restrooms are stocked or if you have reliability issues. These Scott Pro systems carry 40% more towel in every dispenser than your traditional 800-foot roll towels. So that's 40% more capacity in every dispenser, 40% less time you have to service. So that's a real benefit for high traffic or busy washrooms. And we're looking at how, especially with the dynamics in offices now, much more flexible working, people need to be able to balance and move around a washroom and the washrooms in a building much more.
Absolutely. So tell me a little bit about how the company approaches innovation. I mean, this is so cool and something that I'm sure people think about and see, but they might not realize this is what we needed.
Well, part of that is really understanding our customers. We spend a lot of time talking to our customers firsthand, and also then we look at what technology is happening in other industries. The direct drive mechanisms you see in these are things that have been in commercial laundry machines, even residential washing machines for many years. It's a case of how do you bring those inspirations and technologies from other industries as well, with an understanding of what our customers need, and bring those to balance in a unique solution like this.
I love that. So tell us a little bit about innovation in general and why it's so important for the cleaning industry.
Well, I think it comes down to people's expectations continue to rise, and we're looking to get past the case of removing disadvantages and obstacles, and how do you use how the cleaning industry can make a better experience for people in their everyday work. And that's the cleaning staff as well. These units are much simpler and easier to operate, right up to the tenants in those buildings. So it's got to be a laser focus on how do I give a better experience for our customers while still giving efficiency for for the cleaning teams who are under a lot of pressure to do more with less.
That's great. Beneficial for a lot of people. Tell me a little bit, if people want to find out more information, what's the best way to find out more?
They can either come to our booth here at 2667 or go to our website, kcprofessional.com, and we'd love to hear from you. I think the key benefits of this with direct drive dispensing is we have a unit that's 50% quieter than anything else on the market. It's 10 times more reliable than conventional electronic roll towel systems, and the battery life is equivalent up to 5 years without having to change the batteries. And just to give you a perspective, you need to put 18 cases of towels through one of these dispensers before you ever have to touch the batteries. That's a huge benefit for our customers.
All right, is there anything else you really want people to know if they are here or unable to make it this year?
I think for the Scott Pro system, this unit is really changing the game. We're already seeing customers embracing this and seeing this as a real step forward. Kimberly-Clark's also got some fantastic the Onvation smart restroom system that we're doing as well, ties into this as well. So that's about bringing the Internet of Things into the restroom to drive a whole new story and a different way of managing a building. Imagine going from paper maps to navigate through a city through to using Waze. That's the difference you're looking at with these new systems, and it's how that integrates into building management and other areas within a building to make it easier for everyone to get their job done.
What an excellent analogy. I love that. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. Been a pleasure.
All right. For ISSA TV, I'm Sarah Strackhouse. Thanks for joining us.